Now what is he? Is he still a little devil?
No, he's not.
What is he now?
He's a soccer ball.
He's a soccer ball. Oh, don't pull his tail. You know what little devils do? They cause trouble. Don't pull his tail. Okay, can you guys do, what are you guys going to do, a song and dance?
No.
No? You know what, Uncle Josh, he wants to teach you a song called the YMCA. Whoa, you dancing?
I'm not going to be a social worker anymore.
No, what are you going to be now? What are you going to be now? Plaques. Oh.
That's my plaques.
Okay, Plex. We'll wait for you to get dressed.